Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 19 June 2020. In this session, we are going to discuss and analyze the current affairs of 19 June. I am Sujit Kumar Misra here to discuss and analyze the current affairs of 19 June. So proceed towards today's session. This was our previous day questions. First question was, which bank introduced Insta Flexi Cash for salary account customers? Correct answer here is option B, ICICI Bank. Okay, the ICICI Bank recently introduced Insta Flexi Cash for salary account customer. The headquarters of the ICICI Bank is in Mumbai. Okay, and it is established in 1994. The MD and CEO of ICICI Bank is Sandeep Bakshi. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Our second question was, folk singer Hira Singh Rana passed away. He was belongs to which state? Uttarakhand, Bihar, Odisha, none of these. Correct answer here is option A, Uttarakhand. The folk singer Hira Singh Rana passed away and he belongs to Uttarakhand. Okay, the Uttarakhand is in news. So the capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun is winter capital, Garsan is summer capital. The Chief Minister of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat, and Governor of the Uttarakhand is Baby Rani Maurya. Baby Rani Maurya is the Governor of Uttarakhand. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. Sustainable Gastronomy Day is observed globally on 17 June, 18 June, 19 June, 20 June. The correct answer here is option B, 18 June. On 18 June, Sustainable Gastronomy Day is observed. The word gastronomy is here. Gastronomy means the art of food. The art of food. Okay. This day is observed to acknowledge gastronomy as a cultural expression related to nature as well as the cultural diversity of the world. This day is observed since 2016. Okay. Next question. Which country will host 4th Asian Youth Para Games 2021? Bahrain, Brazil, Australia, Japan. Correct answer here is option A, Bahrain. Okay. The Asian Paralympic Committee has announced that the 4th edition of Asian Youth Para Games to be held in Bahrain in December 2021. The capital of the Bahrain is Manama. Okay. The king of Bahrain is Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa. Currency is Bahraini dinar. Bahraini dinar is the currency of Bahrain. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed to our next question. Which country is conducting Victory Day parade of World War II? Japan, America, Russia, England. The correct answer here is Russia. Option C is correct here. Okay, the Russia is conducting a military parade on 24th June 2020 in Moscow. It is going to be held in Moscow on the 75th anniversary of the victory of the Second World War. India is also participating in this parade. Capital of the Russia is Moscow. The president is Vladimir Putin. Next question. Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan will be launched in which state? The correct answer here is option A, Bihar. It is started from Bihar and it is actually going to be applied in 6 states. It is started from the Bihar. Okay. The Khagria district. It is start from Bihar of Khagria district. Okay. This Abhiyan will be 125 days long campaign and work in mission mode. Okay. Next question. ADB, Asian Development Bank, contract Indian economy forecast how much percentage in financial year 2021? 10%, 5%, 4%, 3%. Correct answer here is option C, 4%. Asian Development Bank has projected Indian economy to contract by 4% in fiscal year 2021. The president of Asian Development Bank is Masato Asakawa. Masato Asakawa is the president of ADB. Okay, next question. India elected as non-permanent member of UN Security Council by getting how much votes? 180, 184, 190, 193. Correct answer here is option B, 184. India got 184 vote from 193 country and elected as the non-permanent member of the UN Security Council. Okay, and our India's permanent representative to the United Nations is T.S. Trimurti. T.S. Trimurti is the permanent representative to the UN from India. Okay, next question. Question number 7. Wheat procurement tossed a record by produced 380 lakh ton, 382 lakh ton, 385 lakh ton, 400 lakh ton. The correct answer here is option B, 382 lakh ton. Okay, the wheat procurement tossed a record to the 382 lakh ton after breaking the record of the previous. Okay, next question. Question number 8. Who renamed their agriculture production department? Uttar Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Bihar, Rajasthan. Correct answer here is option B, Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. The Administrative Council has approved the proposal of the Agriculture Production Department to change its name to Agriculture Production and Farmer Welfare Department. Okay. The Agriculture Production Department rename his name to Agriculture Production and Farmer Welfare Department. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which state has launched digital course material? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Chhattisgarh. The correct answer here is option A, Gujarat. The Gujarat CM Vijay Rupani has launched digital course material for more than 1 lakh students, and it will be engaged in professional ITI course. The Gujarat is in news. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Chief Minister is Vijay Rupani, and the governor is Acharya Devrat. Acharya Devrat is the governor of Gujarat. Next question. This is our last question of the today's session. What is the rank of India in IMD's World Competitive Index? 30, 35, 43, 50. The correct answer here is option C, 43. Okay, 43 is the correct here. India continue to remain 43 rank on an annual World Competitive Index. It is compiled by Institute for Management Development, IMD. Abbreviation is Institute for Management Development. The first rank is achieved by Singapore. The second rank is achieved by Denmark, and third rank is achieved by Switzerland. I hope you got the answer now. This is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Please try to answer in the comment section. Okay. First question is, which state has become top in Monrega? Second question is, in which city Composite Regional Center is inaugurated? Okay. Thank you for watching this. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can, and stay connected with Educational Wing. Thereby you can got many more information regarding any competitive examinations. Thank you for watching this.